How to recover Snapchat deleted memories. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to recover Snapchat deleted memories. You cannot truly recover permanent deleted Snapchat memories from the server, but you can try to find them by requesting your account data. For that, you want to open the Snapchat app onto your device, press the profile initials from the top right, go to the gear icon from the top of the page, and while you're on this section, you then need to go ahead and scroll down. Have these my apps and all that. You want to go ahead and locate for my data. Or what you want to do is press the Bitmoji gear icon, go to my account. Here you want to look for memories. So if you cannot find memories, you could also go to the memories section from here. And when you do this, you could then submit a request and the Snapchat will email you a file within 24 hours containing your data, which can be downloaded and checked as well. But you'll be able to find it in the account section itself. Just go to this page, look for or explore all these options. You would go to my privacy. Here it is, my data, and this is where you're going to submit a request, and that's how you're going to recover Snapchat deleted memories. However, this is not reliable, or this cannot be a confirmed way as well, so you can give it a try and see whether that works or not. With that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.